What's up, TNS family? It's your fave girl, Sera, and Tari's currently at work. He's doing some OT, and Toa and I are actually on our way to go to the Elmos Circus. One of my gym girls messaged me like a few weeks ago, and she's like, we need to take our babies here. And I was like, yes we do. She messaged me on Monday saying if we were gonna come and join her and her little family. I was like, hell yeah. So yeah, that's where we're off to. We're going to the Elmo show, and Toa'S really excited. He's been excited all day because we've been telling him about it since Monday. Sana's son, he is same age as Toa, but Toa'S just older than him by a few days. It's like a little play date, but also like a play date for me and Sana. So then after, we're gonna go to our netball game. I'm not actually playing because last week oh yeah, cool. I'm gonna go watch that game tonight. My brother and my sister will be playing tonight alongside some of the mixed gym members. So just a little update. I have been out of service. So this whole week, since last week Wednesday, we celebrated Tongan Language Week with our gym friends. Let me just roll the clip. Okay, we are here at the gym celebrating Tongan language. This is our warm-up. We've got all the food dressed in red. Yeah.
Where's Anna? Is she here? She's coming.
You look so cute. Go Hildy! Oh, that class was such a vibe. I just love how the Tongans at our gym just went all out. Like our girl Saini, she came fully dressed up, and yeah, and the whole 9:30 class just, yeah, we're just a vibe like that. We love coming the theme 100%, and we just like celebrated all of our Tongans at mixed gym. And then I went to my game, and on that night my ankle was already, I don't know, I felt it during class. My Achilles was kind of like hurting, so then I asked my husband to strap my ankle. And then after my game, I ended up playing another 2 games with my cousin Bo. When I played that last game, I truly did feel it. Like I was like, something feels wrong with my ankle. But I just thought it was just like, you know, my Achilles just being, I don't know, tired or something. No, I ended up taking my shoe off. I jumped in the shower, and when I got out of the shower, I couldn't even walk. It was like, yeah, it was really bad. So I went and saw a doctor. The doctor did an x-ray. I couldn't get in to do an MRI. They could only book me for next week, so I'll be going to do that, the MRI on this foot, because this is my foot that is always playing. Yes, son. Say that again. Do you want to eat? Would you like some nuggets before we go? What was I saying? Oh. So yeah, I'm gonna go and get the MRI anyways. I feel like my foot is so much better. It's been a week since I injured it. I'm walking on it now. It's a little bit of a limp, and I do feel a bit of tender, but I think it's because I'm trying to safeguard my foot. So I haven't been to the gym all week because of that reason. I just been ricing it. And yeah, that's just been it. That's been my week. I'm just so excited for me and my son's date, because we never just do like little mum and son date. So, and it should be good. Let's go. Okay, we're getting to some Macca's, a Happy New Meal. Pepe, don't go sleep. Toa. Yeah. Thank you so much. Tap. Alright, he's gone. I think I'll just drive there and see if he wakes up, and then he'll probably want to eat it, or I'll just take it inside if I can. Okay, my boy, are you ready? Can you close the door? Look at your hair, come. Do you want to let your fro out? Yay! Locked up. Oh, watch out, jump. 1, 2, 3, jump. Cheese. Sun cheese. Oh. Okay, come on, let's go. Okay, guys, we're walking in now. Oh my God, this place is so cute. I brought a spare jumper because I'm so cold. Do you want to go look at the school bus?
Let's go.
Go. Go, son. Woohoo! Show me your excited face. Not your sleepy face. Wow. Oh, he is my friend.
Hi.
Is Lika sortiert?
No. Later. They want bub.
Okay, guys, this is my friend that I was talking about.
Hi guys. Are you vlogging?
Yeah. Guys, she's single.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, we're gonna get some. We've got some food so far. We've got the boys their pop tops and their fairy floss, and then we're gonna get some popcorn. I don't even know if they're allowed to vlog in yet, but I'm not Say hi, Elmo. That's the sort of activity Sana wants to be doing. Okay guys, they went on a little break, but now the second half of the show is about to start. We're not a part of the VIP crew, but Hiva and Tua think they are. Anyways, they're making their own. Yeah. Okay guys, I tried to ask Toa to go take a photo with Big Bird, but he's scared. Are you scared of Big Bird? Where's Big Bird? On here. Where's Big Bird? Over here. Look, this one. Yeah. Big Bird. Yeah. Okay guys, we just finished. Hiva, how was it?
What did she do?
She put the fingers up. Hiva! Say sorry to the people. Guys, stay tuned. Sana has something big coming.
It
Okay?
might be that good, guys.
Okay, we're gonna go to our next location.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Okay, guys, we're here at Netball now, and Gingy's team is winning, so we play for this guy's team. Ouch. Son. Bebe, mummy's foot. And the scores are currently 19-8. We're winning. Hiva, say something. How did you like the circus? Say something positive about the circus.
Good.
Today's circus.
Good.
Like more, winning more. Which one was your favorite bit?
Huh? All of it.
Go slow.
Is it yummy? And this guy.
Elmo.
Tari just finished work and... Oh, not just finished. What time did you get home?
6 something. Yeah, had a good day.
How was work?
Yeah, it was good.
It was cold as.
Yeah, hard.
Was it raining in the morning?
Nah, it was just real cold.
Come be in our clothes off. We're going to close the vlog. Come sit here. Okay, everyone, we're going to close off this vlog. Oh, we hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.